You don't need to be a professional to install blinds. It is an easy task if you know how to use a drill and basic tools. All you need is a drill machine, drill bit depending on screw type, screwdriver, level, metal measuring tape, pencil or pen. Your order will include blind itself, screws, L-shaped brackets. These L-shaped mounting brackets are designed for the installation of both inside and outside mount blinds. Let me explain. The bracket has screw holes on the top of a long flat surface for ceiling mounts or inside mount installation. It also has screw holes on the small flat side for wall mount or outside mount installation. You're going to get a minimum of 2 of these mounting brackets. If your order includes more than 2 installation brackets, place the extra brackets evenly between the 2 end brackets. Now let's start the installation process, which consists of just a few basic steps. First step is to install your mounting brackets. Check the level of the mounting surface first, then place the brackets on the ceiling of the window frame by starting from one corner of the window, leaving a 3-inch gap from the end. Make sure to flush the front end of the bracket to the end of the trim. Once you have ensured the placement of the brackets, go ahead and mark the holes for screws using a pencil or pen. Pre-drill the marks and affix the bracket using the screws. Repeat the same process on the other end of the window. Once the mounting brackets are installed, then take the blind and align the top ridge of the valance into the front tab of the bracket. The tabs are spring-loaded, so as you push it back, you will be able to lock the rear groove of valance to the back hooks of the bracket. Best way to do this is to align all the bracket front tabs, then push and lock at the same time, ensuring all the brackets are locked with the valance. That's it. Now just pull the blinds up and down a few times to ensure that they are level and operating smoothly. Congratulations! You have successfully installed your blinds. If you have any questions, please contact us. You can also take help from our live video support to assist you in the complete process of selecting, measuring, ordering, and installation.